Welcome all of you. Now we are going to learn 3 in 1 A to Z noun, verb and adjective. It is useful for the language study. Now this collection of these words are useful for the word chain and related words. Now we see one by one. Let's start. These are the three columns of noun, verb, and adjective. They start from the A. For the A, the nouns are apple and an. For A, verbs are arrange and add, and adjectives are angry, active. For the B, nouns bat, bag, buy, bring, and big batch. C. Cat, cap, call, catch, cool, clever. D. Dog, doll, drive, drink, difficult, dry. E. Egg, eye, eat, enter, easy, empty. F. Fan, forest, fall, forget, fat, fine. For G. Gun, God, get, give, good, great. For H. Hen, haul, help, hold, high, hot. For I. Ink, ice, invite, insult, innocent, ideal. For J. Jar, jail, join, jump, jealous, joyful. For K. King, K, kill, no, kind. For L. Lamp, leap, like, live, long, lazy. For M. Man, moon, make, mean, mad, mighty. For N. Nest, net, neglect, notice, new, nice. For O. Onion, oil, open, order, old, ordinary. For P. Pen, pan, play, pull, perfect, poor. Q. Queuing, qualify, quit, quick. For R. Rat, room, run, read, rich, rough. For S. See, sun, start, sail, small, slow. For T. Tea, tree, taste, tail, take, tall, thin. For U. Umbrella, unit, use, understand, young. Fee, when, visit, vanish, valuable. For W. Wall, war, work, win, wet, weak. For X, only nouns, X-ray. For Y, youth, L, yarn, young. For Z, zebra, zoo, zealous, zonal. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel